So before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to focus on our breathing and relax and meditate. So wherever you are, sit up straight with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Gently close your eyes, and we're going to breathe through our nose. So take a nice slow inhale through your nose, sending the breath all the way down to your lungs and your diaphragm. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. On the next deep inhale through your nose, relax your neck, your shoulders, your jaw, your hips. And slowly exhale through your nose. On the next deep inhale through your nose, imagine a beam of light going from your tailbone all the way up your spine, through the crown of your head, and into the sky. Feel that length. And as you exhale, maintain that length as you relax. Just take one more deep inhale through your nose. And when you get to the top, hold your breath for a few seconds. And then see how slowly you can exhale also through your nose. Feeling a sense of calm and relaxation. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This multiple choice problem is from the College Board. It's from section 4 of the SAT test, which does allow calculators. And the problem says, which of the following is an equivalent form of 1.5x minus 2.4, the quantity squared, minus the quantity of 5.2 times x squared minus 6.4. So have a look at this and see what you can do. It's all right if you're not sure how to approach it. You can even just take a guess. And then in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. I'm really excited about sharing today's strategy with you because it's going to save you so much time and make life so much easier that you may in fact think that it feels like cheating. So the question is asking, for this expression, which of the four choices is equivalent? And we're not going to do all of the algebraic manipulations to find the answer. Here's the trick. Instead, we're going to focus on the constant term. So when I looked at the answer choices, I noticed the constant terms were all distinct. So if we know which one of those is correct, then we'll have our answer. So let's work through this. The first part of the problem has 1.5x minus 2.4 squared. So that's just 1.5x minus 2.4 times itself. And if we're focusing on the constant term, when we FOIL that, that would be the negative 2.4 times negative 2.4, which is the same thing as 2.4 times 2.4. And you could do this with a calculator since it's section 4, but it's easy enough to do on your own. Let me show you. 4 times 4 is 16, so I'm going to put a 6 down, carry the 1, and I'm going to have other digits, right? Then I'm going to put a 0 down. I'm going to do 2 times 4, which is 8, and I'm going to have other digits, all right? And then I'm going to add those. So when I add 6 and 0, I'm going to have 6 in the rightmost position. And that's what this trick involves, is looking at what digit is going to be in the rightmost position. Then I'm going to have other digits. And because I have a 0.4 times 0.4, that's 2 decimal places, I'm going to put the decimal point 2 positions over to the left, right? So the digit that I have in the rightmost position is a 6 in the hundredths position, all right? So I did the squaring. Now I need to subtract negative 6.4. That's the same thing as adding 6.4, right? Well, when I add, I'm going to still have 6 in the hundredths position, right? Because 6.4 is like 6.40. I'm going to have all these other digits, and the decimal point is going to be there. So what that means is that I still have a 6 in the rightmost position in the answer for the constant term, which is a 6 in the hundredths position. So now let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A has a constant term that has 0 in the hundredths place. It's not a 6, so I can eliminate A. Answer choice B also has a 0 in the hundredths place for the constant term. So that can be eliminated as well. Let's look at C. Its constant term has a 6 in the hundredths place. And that's great. That's what we want. So C looks viable. And answer choice D has a constant term that has a 4 in the hundredths place. So I can eliminate D. So in fact, the only answer that has a 6 in the hundredths place for the constant term is answer C, which is in fact the correct choice. And you can do this problem straight out using the full algebraic manipulations to simplify the expression, and you will see that in fact answer choice C is correct. But this trick shows you that you can focus on the constants and more specifically what digit is going to be in the position farthest to the right. And that can save you a lot of time. We didn't even have to deal with any manipulations involving the x term. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy. If you have any questions or any suggestions or requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted. I enjoyed working together, and I look forward to seeing you next time.